Minister who I have seen with so much energy after a long time. I mean, the way he was battling a cabinet minister of India, demanding to a speaker कि मेरे speaker को 5 मिनट दे दो. I've been in parliament for 20 years. ऐसा सीन तो मैंने कभी नहीं देखा. राजनाथ सिंह जी, आप तो बहुत सालों से हम सब के बड़े वरिष्ठ नेता है. कैबिनेट मिनिस्टर का ऐसा बर्ताव तो मैंने कभी नहीं देखा स्पीकर से लड़ते हुए कि मेरे स्पीकर को 5 मिनट दे दीजिए. You are an education minister of India. If he is the education minister of India, he has to have the dignity to show what he is, to lead by education. This is not some comedy of BJP Karyakarta working. He is education minister of India, sir. And we are very proud about education. The equality that child was talking about, that's the equality education being. It's a very serious topic. This is not some Karnataka assembly where hasi mazak is going on. This is a question of children's life. 21 children have killed themselves and they are talking about this. आप एजुकेशन को हल्के में लेंगे? सर, मैं टीका करने नहीं आई थी. मुझे लगा इतनी अच्छी डिबेट होगी, हम कुछ 4 अच्छी चीजें बोलेंगे, वहां से कुछ अच्छा आएगा और देश को एक मैसेज जाएगा कि इस पूरे मामले में हमसे एक आवाज में, जैसे पहलगाम के अटैक पर ऑपरेशन सिंदूर में हम सब लड़े थे, मेरी अपेक्षा थी कि शिक्षा के बारे में ये इनका बर्ताव होगा. बट ये उम्मीद क्या करेंगे? एजुकेशन मिनिस्टर ऐसा बिहेव कर रहा है पार्लियामेंट में. और ये जो नया जेनजी का लिंगो यूज कर रहे हैं ना, मैं भी उनको बताना चाहती हूँ सर, इन्होंने शायद इंस्टाग्राम नहीं देखा. सब बीजेपी के लोगों ने देखा भी होगा तो बोलेंगे नहीं पता है, सबके बच्चे हमारे साइड पे, उनके साइड पे तो किसी के बच्चे नहीं है. इनकी अगली जनरेशन में इनके साथ नहीं, हमारे साथ भी नहीं है शायद. हम जो डिलुलू के बारे में बोले ना, आप भी उस डिलुलू में ना रहना कि वो आपके साथ है. आपकी जनरेशन किसके साथ है ये 29 में पता चलेगा, तब देखा जाएगा. बट लेट्स नोबडी बी इन दिस Gen Z and we are not fighting. Why are we getting into the lingo of the Gen Z? That's not what we are. ये कोई ऑक्सफोर्ड डिक्शनरी का सवाल के लिए चर्चा नहीं कि आप कितने शब्द जानते हैं और मैं कितने शब्द जानती हूँ. We are here for a very serious issue. People on Jantar Mandar, sir, I was sitting in the Lok Sabha canteen, house was not functional. You also missed it. We've all heard the loud sounds outside. किसकी आवाज थी वो? टेयर गैस की आवाज थी. पता नहीं पिलेट्स चल रहे थे सर. हम डरे नहीं क्योंकि हम इस सिक्योर वातावरण में बैठे. बस उस माँ के बारे में आप सोचिए जिसका बच्चा उस जंतर मंतर थे, उस माँ पे क्या गुजर रही होती. वी आर सिटिंग इन दिस वेरी VIP एरिया विद सो मेनी पुलिस. कोई दरवाजा पार्लियामेंट का बंद कर रहा है, कोई इतने सारे पुलिस है. हम तो सिक्योर है ना. आपके बच्चे चिंता में, ना मेरे बच्चे चिंता है. बस उस माँ बाप का सोचिए जिनके बच्चों का करियर है. सर, मैं भी एक माँ हूँ. जब रिजल्ट आता है ना, एक दिन पहले नींद नहीं आती. अभी मेरे तो बच्चे बड़े हो गए, तो अभी CBSE चल रहा है, सोचते पढ़ते हैं. आप सोचिए जिसके बच्चे का एडमिशन जो KG के लिए प्रॉब्लम आता है, उसकी माँ पे, फैमिली पे क्या गुजरती. उनके पास कुछ होता नहीं है सर. एक रोटी खाते हैं, शायद आधी खाटी होती है, इसलिए वो पैसा भर भर के पेट की भूख काट काट के बच्चों को पढ़ाते कि जो मेरा हुआ मेरे बच्चों का ना हो. What is a degree? It is your recognition. No caste, nothing can stop you. Once you have a good degree on your forehead, your life is made. What was Bhimrao, Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar? How did he get recognition? It's purely on merit and his education. This is what I was expecting from this government, and I'm hugely disappointed as a parliamentarian, as a parent, because I expected more from them. I really did, and I'm saying this with pain. Think of all. I'll tell you the measures this government has taken. I'll tell you 3 points which I'd really like the Honorable Minister, who was, I don't know what had happened to him today. He's actually quite a serious man. 3 things that he has done. In 2016, 2016 में, इसी सरकार की एक report है sir. In that, what is the government said when the first bill was introduced? That we have the report of the standing committee. We are working on it. Bill आ गया, उसके बाद standing report ही भी working करेंगे. And we will take all of you into confidence and move in this direction forward. What happened? This is 2016. Then comes 2024. Honorable Nadda ji's reply. Honorable Nadda ji ने कहा एक reply में कि the Supreme Court at that point had intervened, but the intention of the government to bring NEET. It's not the Supreme Court that has brought NEET. It is the government has brought NEET. I'm not saying that. This is Nadda ji replying. It's the papers right here. But what is in the bill? That is very interesting, sir. The bill, point number 6, says in the statement and the objectives of the bill, it says, in the view of the judgment of the Honorable Supreme Court, NEET became mandatory for all undergraduate and postgraduate admissions with immediate effect. However, some state governments, blah. So is it Supreme Court done it or has this government done it? Can they kindly clarify? And both these documents are parliament documents, not my creations. One is a reply and one is a bill. So can this kindly, this government get out of this jingoism and get serious and tell us why really this bill has come up? Third, what part in 2024? Excellent drafting of the bill, excellent. Even if I'm in opposition, I'll say that. Because this is not about तू मैं में. ये बच्चों के बारे में क्या तू मैं करेंगे यहाँ? वो पॉलिटिकल होगा वह लड़ रहेंगे रास्ते पे. यहाँ इसलिए नहीं आते हम सिर्फ लड़ने के लिए. What is this bill done? 2024, unfair means an objective. Every objective has been achieved. बस ये इम्प्लीमेंट होता 24 में तो 26 में जंतर मंतर का दिन नहीं देखने पड़ते हम सबको. Why is the government not followed this? What are they talking about? And what is in this written? This is also interesting, sir. This is again 2025 reply in the government. 21st June 2024, the bill has become an act. 22nd June, a committee is formed which is doing recommendations. Have you heard of such a thing, sir? On 21st, I repeat, I reiterate what I say. 21st June 2024, a bill has come, the act is made. And 22nd, they have started a committee of recommendations. Kiska mazak udaya ja raha hai? Then didn't you take the committee recommendations before? Or why didn't you have a committee? Then what was the rush of the bill?